Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video. It's all burgundy, kind of reminds me of fall, which is exactly where America is at the moment, but it seems to be all gem related, and it's really like very thickly packed, very packed. So let's get right into it. Ooh, wow. Okay, let me zoom you guys out just a bit so you can have a better look. That's really interesting. That it feels like a makeup bag. Acrylic gem tray. Okay, this feels like there's quite a bit this month. I'm low-key very excited. So this is the September box. You're a gem. And oh, okay, so there's this little pouch and it comes with literally a gem. There's no sticker or anything on it, so I guess you could put it on anything. To be honest, I am going to put this in with my cosplay accessories because I just feel like something like this would always come in handy for cosplay. And making something like this myself would be very time consuming with all the resin molding and stuff. So that's pretty cool. I don't know what other people would use it for, but I think it would look really great on some costumes I have in mind. So that's really cute. Washi cards. Okay. I have a lot of washi cards that I haven't ended up getting around to using yet, but basically what these are is that they're just like plastic little cards, and you can wrap your washi tapes around it so that you can have like multiple shades, and then you can put them in your planner or travel with them, so you don't need to be taking like the entire washi tape itself, the whole roll. Yes, roll. Can't talk today for some reason. So you get 5 different cards. I don't know if they're showing up well on camera because they're so transparent, but that's pretty cool. And then we've got some, so I feel like this is a journaling sort of card, like where you put it behind the paper you're writing on so you don't imprint onto the next sheet. I don't know why I keep thinking that there's like a plastic wrap on it, but I think it's just the design has a little bit of a cloudiness to it. You can see the little bit of cloudiness, but how beautiful is this effect? I mean, the washi cards have them as well, but this is so nice. So pretty. And then here we have the stickers for the sheet. So standard kit sheets. Oh, and we've got the bows. Looks a little different this time. Usually it's just the bows without, say, this paper here, like the setting paper, I suppose. But yeah, this is what the whole sticker sheet looks like. All the sticker sheets together. Very, very cool. All right, so I'm very curious to know, what is an acrylic gem tray? I guess we'll find out. Oh, okay. You can like put your keys and stuff. This is so cute. I feel like because everything's so transparent and reflective, you can see the camera. Yeah, so this is basically like a tray where you can put like keys or little knickknacks on. I love it. It's so cool. Yeah, I am definitely going to use this because I have a little tray right now. I would show it to you, except it's overflowing with random like jewelry pieces, like miniature perfume, some erasers, just random. So I definitely could use a new one, and so I can't get over how reflective it is. All right, let's get into the pouch, which I assume is where all the washi tapes are, and the pen. So we've got 5 washi tapes, and then a black gel pen. I'm pretty sure it's a black gel pen. I'm not going to test the pen because it's the same every single month, so I don't want to bore you guys, but I mean, look at the design. Isn't that amazing? It's so nice. Feels very luxurious. And yeah, pouch is actually decent that I would use this for like, I don't know, like makeup, just in my day-to-day bag because it's like slim enough for it. But yeah, I like it. Okay, so give me 2 seconds and I will unwrap the washi tape. Okay, so here's all the washi tape, and how beautiful are these colors. Oh, I can't get over it. I just love how berry like pink these are. So you've got the bows, little bow, stretched bow, I guess, and you've got gems. These two are like gem related, but this is more silver, so these pull silver foiling, and this is like either gold or rose gold. Yeah, either way, washi tape is stunning, so beautiful. But I feel like I say that every month because I just feel like Simply Gilded do such an amazing job when it comes to styling their washi tape. So yeah, that is everything in September's Simply Gilded box. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.